Here we take a question on existence of limit x tends to 0 mod of sin x by x. In any question, if any piecewise defined function involved, maybe modulus function, greatest integer, least integer, fractional part function, we always evaluate limit using left hand limit, right hand limit, that is two-sided limit. Now limit of fx, left hand limit x tends to 0 minus limit s tends to 0 f of minus h, limit s tends to 0 sine of minus h mod upon minus h. Sine of minus theta minus sine h mod upon minus h. Here, left hand limit minus sine h immediate less than 0, negative. Minus sine h is negative, therefore if we remove modulus, this is sin h upon minus h, sin theta by theta, theta tends to 0, so result is minus 1. Right hand limit of f x tends to 0 plus sin f of h, s tends to 0, limit h tends to 0 mod of sin h by h, mod of sin h is positive upon h, sin h by h 1. RLHL not equal to RHL, so limit does not exist. We take a second question, fx equal sine of integral part of x by integral part of x, where integral part of x not equal to 0 and 0 integral part of x equal to 0. We have to find here limit of fx tends to 0 if exists. Here piecewise defined function integral part of x is involved. So this limit will be evaluated by evaluating two-sided limit. First, we find restriction on x. So since integral part of x equal to 0 means x lying between 0 to 1 including 0. In case of negation not equal to 0, not, so clearly x less than 0 or x greater than equal to 1. When fx equal to 0, integral part of x equal to 0. We have to find limit at 0, x tends to 0. So obviously x less than 0, we have fx sine integral part of x by x, and this will give x greater than equal to 0. In such case fx equal to 0. So if we find left hand limit fx x tends to 0 minus limit s tends to 0 f of minus h. F of minus h, any value of fx when x is negative. X less than 0, we have definition of function is this. So f of minus h is sine integral part of minus h upon minus h. Here h, a small positive number lying between 0 to 1, minus h just before 0. So integral part of minus h obviously left in minus 1. So sine of minus 1 divided by minus 1, this is sine 1. The left hand limit here sine 1. Right hand limit of fx x tends to 0 plus limit s tends to 0 fh. Value of function when x is positive, obviously fx equal to 0. This portion will be used. So here fh equal to 0 equal to 0. Here L not equal to R, so limit does not exist. Here left hand one-sided limit, both one-sided limit exist. Existence of LHL and RHL. One-sided limit exists. LHL and RHL must be separately finite definite number.